right over there.
Your name is Cameron?
Mm-hmm.
And how old are you?
4.
You're 4 years old? Really, do you sing, Cameron?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Kentucky.
Kentucky?
Yeah!
Where at in Kentucky?
Yeah.
Do you have a, where's that? Do you have any girlfriends, Cameron?
No.
He's too young, Rhonda.
What would you like to sing, Cameron?
The train song.
The train song. Okay. Are you going to sing it? Are you doing the train whistle, or what are you doing?
I'm going to do the train whistle.
You're going to do the train whistle, okay. Maybe here, just come on over here. We'll just do this together. How about that? Let's hear it for Cameron. Way back when it all began, muscle, wood, and steel, the man ran to the land with the horse that rode on wheels. It broke the heart of a red man and made a name for Jesse James. A mark was left forever by the passing of the train. That was really good, Cameron. I like that. As a little child, my thoughts ran wild as I clung in Mama's dress. As the train grew near, the engineer waved my fierce arrest. He tipped his head and pulled the car to move on lonely train. Round midnight at the tree, of the passing of the train. Clickety-clacky, left the track, can't you hear that whistle scream? She's letting you know just how she feels with the belly full of steam. Forward, it'll never be the same. It's a downright lonesome feeling with the passing of the train. Well, that off the goose, they cut it loose, and they ain't gonna break through. Sits beside the town to die, the 1,000,000 miles away. Where home is leading when we get there, so it's summer of the flame. But he knows heard that whistle mourns the passing